Recording modes in QTP. QTP supports three types of recording modes: context sensitive, analog, low level. Let's look at them one by one. Normal recording mode is also called context sensitive mode. It is the default mode of recording which takes full advantage of quick test object model. It recognizes objects in application regardless of their location on the screen, records the objects in your application and the operations performed on them. Analog recording mode. In analog recording mode, QTP records and tracks every movement of the mouse as you drag the mouse around a screen or a window. QTP's analog recording is captured as tracks and stored in the directory of your test. It is useful for recording operations that cannot be recorded at the level of an object. For example, a signature produced by dragging the mouse in Paint will be recorded in analog. Let's record a signature operation while faxing an order. In QTP, you can switch to analog recording mode only while recording. This option is not available while editing. Click the record button. Click the analog recording button. Analog recording settings dialog box opens. It gives you two options: record relative to a screen, record relative to the following window. When your analog operations are confined to just one window, like in our case recording a signature in the fax order window, use this option. When your analog operations involve multiple screens, like dragging and dropping an object from one window to another, use the screen option. In our case, we'll use the relative to the following window option. Click on Start Analog Record button to start recording. Capture the signature. In QTP, stop recording. QTP will add to the test a run analog statement. Let's replay. QTP has accurately imitated the signature we had recorded. If you record the same signature operation using any other recording mode, the script will not replay correctly. Next, low-level recording mode. Low-level recording mode enables you to record on any object in your application, whether or not QTP recognizes the specific object or the specific operation. Records at the object level and records all runtime objects as either window or win object test objects, just these two objects. Used when exact coordinates of the object are important for your test. For example, hash maps where clicking different sections of a picture take you to different links. Used when recording test in an environment or on an object not recognized by QTP. To understand the low-level recording mode better, record a script to open an order in flight reservation application. You can switch to low-level recording mode only while recording. This option is not available while editing. Click the record button. Click on low-level recording mode. In flight reservation application, click the open order button. Select order number. enter order number as 1, click OK. The 4 steps required to open an order are recorded. If you record the same 4 steps in context mode and compare it with the low level recording mode, you will observe that low level recording mode uses only windows and WinObject, whereas context sensitive uses dialog, WinCheckbox and many other objects. Also, low level recording modes stores the X and Y coordinates of any clicks, while context sensitive does not record the same. In QTP, let's replay the low level mode script which is recorded. The script runs successfully. Before we end this tutorial, a few pointers on recording modes. Analog and low level recording modes require more disk space than the normal recording mode. For both modes, screen positions during the record and run time need to be identical, otherwise the script fails. Hence, use analog or low level recording only when normal recording mode does not accurately record your operation. At times, QTP automatically switches to low level recording mode while recording objects or environments not supported by QTP.